Greetings, Love Posse. What role are you playing in creating this new earth? We all have a role to play, right? We all have to be in alignment, in harmony with the universe, with our soul urgings, our purpose, in creating this new earth. We have to take what we are doing, what we are radiating in the world, what our livelihood is, seriously. Because it matters. You matter. The role that we play in creating the new earth matters. The old narratives are falling away. So we are in the process, in every breath, in creating the new earth. So again, what role are you playing? The role of a spiritual teacher or guide, the role of the healer, the role of the warrior, the role of the visionary. What role are you playing? Are you representing and advocating for nature? For our water systems, oceans, the lakes, the rivers? Are you a social justice advocate? Are you building the roads and putting out fires? Are you feeding others? Are you entrusted with educating our children? We all have a purpose. In Buddhism, Eightfold Path, they speak of right livelihood, right action. It matters. We need cooperation. We need people in whatever position, whatever role they're playing, to be open-hearted, strong-hearted, to make decisions from a place of consciousness, remembering that they are part of the whole. Considering nature, how we keep Mother Earth healthy, how we respect and revere Mother Earth by treating her as we would ourselves. Are you writing, sharing your message with words, speaking, sharing your message with tongue? Your messages matter. What are you telling people? Are you an entertainer, actor, musician, poet? What message are you sharing with others? Are these messages uplifting others? Are these messages helping people to grow? Are these messages of consciousness, helping people to understand that we're interconnected, that we're one? What role are you playing in creating the new earth, Love Posse? Your role matters. We have this mindset that some people, what they do, the roles that they play, are more important or better than others. That was a false narrative. We are a collective every role, every person, every spirit, human being matters. What you do matters. There are no insignificant beings on this planet. We were all created with purpose. We need everyone to consider deeply how you are contributing in creating this new earth. Love Posse. I challenge you to take some time. This is important. We are totally creating a new earth. And we want to do better this time. We want to create from a higher and greater place of consciousness. We want to create keeping the whole in mind. We want to create from love. We want to create from compassion and kindness. We want to create from a more expansive, transpersonal consciousness. Again, let me reiterate, this is important. This is as important as being a parent, birthing a child. We are birthing a new earth. And we must take care in how we create this new earth. Similar to a parent, parents must take care in how they are rearing this little bitty human being who's innocent and fragile and vulnerable, and relying on them to help guide them into becoming a conscious human being. We must do the same in birthing this new earth. We must take our role seriously. What role are you playing in creating this new earth, Love Posse? I want to thank you for your time. I love you. I love you so much. The divine loves you. You are loved. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're on Facebook, please find me at Tyffany Howard. Check out my website at tiffanyhoward.com. Take your role seriously, Love Posse. We're creating this new earth, and it's happening rapidly. Be aware and conscious of what you're doing, what energy you're putting out into the earth, how you are interacting with nature, with others. Pay attention. Choose right livelihood. You matter. Namaste. Namaste.